Module 11.2 homework question 10. In this case, we're given a function for uh, the rate of decrease of monthly sales of a personal computer. And what we want to find is S of t. So a function that would give us the number of sales after t months. So in order to find that, we're going to integrate S prime of t, which will be the integral of negative 5t e to the 0.2t dt. So in this case, we're going to apply integration by parts since we have the product of two functions. We'll go with our algebraic expression as our choice for u, since our exponential is always going to be that last choice for u. So we'll let u equal negative 5t, which means du equals negative 5 dt. We'll let dv equal e to the 0.2t dt, which means e is 1 over 0.2, or 5 e to the 0.2t, which means we can rewrite our integral as negative 5t times 5e to the 0.2t, so that's u times v, minus the integral of v, which is 5e to the 0.2t dt, times du, which is negative 5 dt. So we can rewrite this as negative 25 t times e to the 0.2t plus 25 times the integral of e to the 0.2t dt. This will give us negative 25t e to the 0.2t plus 25 times 1 over 0.2 times e to the 0.2t plus some constant c. So 1 over 0.2 again is just 5. So this will become negative 25 t e to the 0.2t plus 125 e to the 0.2t plus some constant c. So again, we're not satisfied with that because we want to know what this constant is so that we actually have a function we can evaluate. So we're told that if the monthly sales right now at time t equals 0 are 2,000 computers, so we know that S of 0, which is negative 25, well, let's just skip ahead. So evaluating this at 0, that's going to be 0 plus 125 times e to the 0 power is going to be 1 plus c. All of that should equal 2,000. This tells us that our value for that constant c should be 1,875. So we get a sales function, S of t, equal to negative 25t e to the 0.2t plus 125 e to the 0.2t plus 1,875. So we have our sales function, and then in part B, we want to know when is S of t equal to 700. So looking at the graph of our function, which I've already typed in, and I've already set my window so that I have a good view for this. My calculator actually changed this a little bit, but I set this to be -1 and I think either 13 or 14, so it made some adjustments there. But as long as that's around 0, that's around 13 or 14. Y min is 0, Y max is 2,000. You should see this exact same graph. And then we can use the trace feature and just trace along the graph until our function value is approximately 700. Our x value there is 10.6. Which means they'd have to get to about 11 months. So when they hit 11 months, their sales will have dropped to $700.